Thanks for coming to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Western Digital Corporation, and this stock is coming back after a very long time, I would say. And if you're looking at this stock at multiple time frames, it is doing some very great work. So if you can look at this current trend, or if you are looking at the overall trend on both the sides, okay, this stock is doing something very extraordinary that we are going to discuss in this particular trend. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, people always look for profit, and that is true, by the way. But when you invest in a stock for long term, there are other things that you need to be taken care of. For example, this stock has been in a consolidation since 2014. So it's been nearly 8 years worth of consolidation which has been happening inside this range or trend, right? And that's why we need to understand this current trend or range first before talking about anything else. So on the downside you have 45.86 and 35.33, and on the upside you have 81.87, which is your next target, and the two big targets will be 109 and 115. So this is what we are looking at as far as the biggest targets are concerned, right? So this is the current range, and until and unless the stock moves beyond 116, we do not have any further trend on the upside. That's for sure, right? That is for sure that we are not going to have any further trend on the upside. Now, if you are looking at this chart closely, what you can see here, or if I may draw a line like this, let me show it to you. If I may draw a line like this, so what you can see, so this was the resistance of year 1997 at $55. Right now the closed price is $61, which means it is a long-term breakout that the stock has shown. And although it's moving up and down, but the overall trend is saying that it is holding above its long-term breakout, which means we are here for a very big move going forward in the upcoming years. Because this is a slow moving stock, this stock does not show us some very good move. I mean, even from the lows of 2020, it is moved by 125%. So it's a slow moving stock. So with that sense, we have a very big trend, but it will take time. So if you're talking about the overall trend, it is looking something like this. Okay, I'm just connecting the dots. I'm not doing anything else by my own, and I'm just connecting the dots over here, right? So here we are. Okay, so here is the trend that we are going to look at as far as the downside is concerned. And with the help of this, if I may draw some other support levels as well. So this is what we have here. So the levels are going to be the same. There is no change in trend. We are just trying to find out some similarities, and out of which, whenever the stock gather momentum, we can find our way, or we will find our way. So as far as the big trend is concerned, this is what the big range looks like. Okay, this is what the big range looks like. So here we are. So as I told you, we do not have any sort of uptrend until and unless the stock crossed 115 or 116. So if there is a breakout beyond 116, the first target we have here is $187, $188. But if you're talking about the big range in the upcoming years, so it will be in between $770 and $1,400 as far as the long term or the big trend in the upcoming years are concerned. So this is the end of the video.